Hi, this is Annie from New York Life Coaching. Today, I will continue to discuss the ways how we can become a better listener and how to distinguish between various functions of language. Let us imagine a scene with a couple. The wife comes back home and says, "Why do you always leave dirty dishes in the sink?" There are many ways in which this sentence can be analyzed. First, if we look at its surface structure, it is formulated as a question. But does the wife really expect a meaningful answer? What would be such an answer? It's hard to say. Rather, this is a rhetorical question. The wife is not trying to obtain any new information. She is actually making a point. And what is her point? The first way to look at it is to understand the context. This is useful if the function of the statement is referential, which simply means referring to something. It is possible to agree on the factual content of the statement. For example, if the husband always leaves dirty dishes in the sink. In this case, the function is referential. So let's assume that the husband did rush to solve the problem by doing the dishes, as many men have the tendency to solve an issue by acting on it or providing a logical way out. But it is also possible that his wife's intention cannot really be interpreted as referential. The husband may find out once he washes the dishes that his wife continues to be upset and keeps nagging about something else. This would mean that the original sentence, "Why do you always leave dirty dishes in the sink?" fulfilled a different function. We call it emotive or expressive function. On the surface, the wife referred to a specific situation, describing a fact by using a rhetorical question, but deep down, she actually expressed her frustration over something else. Maybe she was upset about an argument with her coworker. There is also another possibility. She may have been trying to elicit some reaction from her husband. For example, maybe she just needs affection or some nice words coming home from work. If that's the case, then the sentence fulfills the so-called conative function of language, which aims to generate a certain response from the interlocutor. So as you see, a simple sentence may conceal a multitude of meanings. It may refer to some objective reality, it may convey the speaker's feelings or beliefs, or it may be a veiled request. A good coach or a good listener should be alert to each of the three functions. And sometimes the sentence may contain several functions at the same time. The dishes are indeed overflowing. The wife is upset because of something happened at work, and she would really like to have a hug now. Detecting which one matters most at this moment may require a more subtle capacity to capture non-linguistic signals, and I will cover it in future episodes. For now, when you hear a sentence, I invite you to try to differentiate which function of language it fulfills. Is it referential, emotive, or conative? In other words, are they just referring to a fact, expressing an emotion, or trying to influence you to act or to think differently? Okay, that's what I have for you today. If you're interested to learn more about coaching, check out our training at New York Life Coaching Institute. Take care.